Good morning, class 11th. So now today we start the exercise. So up to in exercise 1.4 up to question number 6 we already finished. Now question number 7th. 7th is if A is a set X such that X is a natural number. X is a natural number. B is a set of X is an even natural number. Okay, I will write the sets here. So no confusion was there. A will be the set of natural number at 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. Okay. And B is a set of even natural number. Okay. Means 2, 4, 6, 8. Then C will be the set of odd number. Means 1, 3, 5, 7. And D will be the set a prime number. Prime numbers are 1, 3, 1 is not a prime number, 2, 3, then 5, 7, 11, 13, so on. So now first find A intersection B. What is the common in this one? If you see that A intersection B, what is the common part? If you see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here 2, 4, 6, 8. So what is the common thing? Only that even number will be the common. A intersection B, first part is what? What is the common of these two? This will be the common only 2, 4, 6, 8. So answer will be B set only. Second part, what is the common part of A intersection C? What is the common part of this? C only. Here all the numbers are there, here only odd numbers are there, so answer will be C. Third one, A intersection D. What is the common part here? A and D. D will be only the common part. A intersection D. D will be the common. And fourth one, B intersection C. Here what is the common? If you see, here 1 is there, 2, 3, 4, nothing is the common. So what is the common part? 5. Nothing is the common. Fifth part, B intersection D. Fifth one, B intersection D. What is the common part? Here natural even numbers are there. Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. That one. Only 2 will be the common. If you see that all the numbers, only 2 will be the common. And the sixth one, C intersection D. C intersection D. Sixth one part, C intersection D. So what is the common part? 1, 3, 5, 7 and here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Odd prime numbers are the common part. So write here odd prime number. Write here X such that X is a odd prime number, like this way. Okay. Now question number 7th we done. Now 8th one. Which of the following pairs are disjoints? Disjoints. Now this thing we not discuss right now. What is the disjoint set? Anyone knows that? What is the disjoint set? A set whose intersection is 0 means nothing. Nothing will be the intersection. 5. Whose intersection will be the 5, that will set called a disjoint set. Suppose see in the first part 1, 2, 3, 4 in this one. Here 4 to 6. 4 is included means what is the common part? 4 is the common part. So this is not a disjoint set. Here common is what? E. Third part, even number, odd number. What is the common? Nothing is common. So this will be called as a disjoint set. Now question number 9th one. Now one more thing I discussed that some portions are deleted. Like our next topic, our next exercise, complements of set is deleted. Okay, so complement of set means -1 we have to do, minus we have to do. So question number 9th is from deleted your syllabus. No need to do question number 9th and 10th also. 10th first and second part is deleted. These two. Only this if you want to do what is the common part of X and Y. You can do this one in 10th question. Okay, and this one topic I am saying that exercise 1.5 complement of set. Complement of set will be deleted from your syllabus. So over next exercise 1.5 is deleted completely. So now question number 11th. 11th we have to do. 11th is, if R is a set of real number and Q is a set of rational number, what is the R minus Q? If real numbers, from the real number, rational number will be removed. What will left? Irrational numbers. I think we all know irrational numbers. So set of irrational numbers. And 12th question, last true and false are there, that you can do by your only disjoint set only. What is the common part? Like first one is a disjoint set, no, false. Second one, again no, A is the common, false. Third one, yes, nothing is the common, true. And fourth one is also no, nothing is common, so true. So our exercise 1.4 is completed, and 1.5, no need to do exercise 1.5, it is deleted from your syllabus also, okay. And this will start in the next class, exercise 1.6, our last exercise, and after that we will do the miscellaneous of chapter 1. So thank you all of you.